Dear friends, welcome to NSR Electrical. Please subscribe my channel. Today we discussing the UPS versus inverter. This is the block diagram of UPS. When AC main supply is on, then the AC main supply goes directly through AC load through surge suppressor static transformer switch, and also the AC supply charges the battery. When AC supply is off, then battery gives the load through inverter, AC filter and static transformer switch. This is the inverter block diagram. When AC supply is on, the AC main sensor section senses the relay, and this relay directly give the output to output socket. At the same time, the battery charger section also charges the battery. When AC supply is off, then the relay changes to backup mode. Then the oscillator section, driver section, output amplifier section will work, and here the inverter transformer converts the pulsating 12 volts to AC supply. This AC supply goes to output socket through relay changeover section. Here UPS has three types: online UPS, offline UPS, line interactive technology, and inverter has three types: square wave inverter, modified sine wave inverter, sine wave inverter. This is the block diagram of online type UPS. Here normal operation and power failure operation. Under the normal operation, the power goes to AC mains, rectifier and DC filter, charge controller and battery through inverter, AC filter, AC load. When AC supply is off, then the battery gives the backup to inverter, AC filter through to load. This is the block diagram of UPS offline type. When normal operation means AC supply is on, then the AC supply goes directly to static transformer switch, AC load, and at the same time the AC mains directly connected with battery through rectifier, DC filter, charge controller. Power failure condition: when AC supply is off, then the battery gives the backup to inverter, AC filter, static transformer switch to load, AC load. Inverter types: depending on the output waveform, we decide the inverter type. Here we see the differences of UPS and inverter. First, main function. The UPS main function is uninterrupted power supply, UPS. The inverter main function is DC to AC converter main function, and UPS provides the continuous power supply to load for a short time in case of main power supply fail. Inverter does not provide the continuous power supply to the load. It takes some time to provide power supply to the load in case of main power supply fail. And third difference, UPS also provides protection against voltage fluctuations, spike voltages, etc. Inverter does not provide any protection. UPS, the switching speed of UPS is 2 to 4 milliseconds. Inverter, the switching speed of the inverter is 100 to 400 milliseconds. It also includes automatic voltage regulator that provides a fixed output voltage of 200 or 120 volts. Inverter, there is no AVR, hence output voltage may drop due to heavy load. Sixth difference, backup time of UPS is 10 to 20 minutes. Inverter, 2 to 6 hours depending on the inverter and battery back. UPS, it is used in an application where The delay in power interruption can cause problems. Inverter. It is used in an application where the delay in power interruption is not a problem. UPS. It provides backup to computers and any other sensitive devices. Inverter. It provides backup to TV, fan, lights and other household applications. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share.